Hello people, welcome to Ify's YouTube channel. Today I'll be making fried rice. So I used carrots and only pepper, mostly because I couldn't get the other ingredients like green pepper and green peas. So that's what I'm using, and I'm cutting it right now. And I also put my water, meat stock water with the rice for it to parboil because that's what my instructor asked me to do. So let's let's see how this fried rice goes, shall we? P.S. I did not exactly do this fried rice well, but we'll see in the end. Anyways, I have my parboiled fried rice. Look at how delicious it looks. Yeah, yeah. I'm feeling myself. And then I have my cut ingredients, my carrots, my meat, and my fresh pepper. And then I was supposed to cut the onion, but I forgot. So this is me remembering that I'm supposed to cut onions. And then my brother had to complain that I didn't cut onions. And I'm like, I'll cut it. I've heard you. But yeah, I'm not a fan of onion. Mostly because it affects my eyes. So this is it. I've cut it, but it usually affects my eyes, which is why I avoid cutting it. So yeah, we have our pots, fresh pots on the fire. Ignore what I am doing. I know. It's reflex, but mostly because I clean my hands a lot and ignore my kitchen. I'm trying to cook first before I clean up, since it will be dirty anyways. So yeah, this was where my problem first started from. I put way too much oil. Here I was trying to, stir fry my veggies, and I put way too much oil. See me putting another, as if that was not already a lot. But yeah, that's the oil on the fire. And then I proceed to put my curry and my thyme. For some reason, I mean, my tutor said I should add seasoning to my stir fry, so that's what I was trying to do. Sue me. But then I realized doing that and filming was hard, so I had to shut the video down for some time to go look for my phone stand, so that I can film better. The people that used to do food vlogging, now they try, especially the ones that don't have equipment yet. I salute you. Anyways, so we are back with the contents. I didn't film me putting the onion because I didn't realize it was not on. So that's me putting carrots after I had put part of the onion into the oil. And then I decided, okay, let's put in the next ingredients, which is the Maggi, and of course, salt to taste, just a pinch, you know. Like to be honest, that was more than a pinch, but salt needs to be there. Next, I stir because we have to stir. Stirring is important. Stir, stir, stir that bin. Stir, stir, stir that bin. And then I put the rest of my onion because I was like, why am I keeping the onion? I mean, it's stir fry. Jeez. And then it was at this moment it dawned on me that I may have put too much oil in this stir fry. That's what happens when you have a lot of oil. If I did not have a lot of oil now, I would have put that much oil in it. But yeah, I put too much oil, and this was when I realized it. This is me putting in my pepper. showing you what it looks like. See that deliciousness of colors. At this point, I regretted not searching harder for the green peas because with that green, it would have been beautiful. It would have been beautiful. So unfortunate. Next time, we'll do better. So yeah, enjoy the sight of me regretting my oil choices. I put that light to cook in an attempt to see maybe the oil will reduce, but that was obviously a foolish attempt, but an attempt regardless. And that's my meat. I was going to wait for the carrot and cool to cook for a while before putting in the meat. So I've put the meat in. After it had cooked for a while, stir it. The stirring I did in this rice, oof, too much and pointless. But yeah, I stirred it for a while. And then, so now we move on to frying my rice. Another place where I made a huge mistake, because tell me, what is that oil? When I'm not making rice for a family of 10. Just in case you think this was bad, I added more. Wait for it. I picked up that bottle again. I was like, peace. You added a lot of oil in that stir fry. Why do you gotta add plenty again in your fried rice? That's what being a novice does to you. See, pouring oil, cholesterol on the high. Aproko doctor will be disappointed in me. For some reason, this oil refused. It refused to go down because the last two attempts that I tried to make fried rice, my fried rice was basically burning. The oil reduced with such drasticness, but this one, even after allowing it to sit for like 10 minutes, the oil still did not reduce. Oh yeah. Stir that pot, stir that pot, stir that pot, stir that pot, so that it will become fried rice. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not sad. I'm telling you why. That fried rice is going to town. Anyways, it was at this point where I decided, you know what, I'm going to I'm going to shut this off and then watch it, cook for a while and then come back and throw in because I got tired of filming myself stirring the rice and the oil not going down. It was like my mistake in my face. So yeah. So I came back here. The rice was boiling and the oil was staring right at me. I decided, the rice looks cooked already. I might as well just, pour in my stir fry and get this rice over and done with. It's already been like almost an hour at this point. Now, my stir fry plus my rice, and it's coming together, looking like what's a proper fried rice. Sorry, an improper fried rice should look like. Because the fact that green beans is not there is still pissing me off, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, tell me that doesn't look good to you. Tell me. Just ignore the oil, but tell me that doesn't look good. Looks good. But anyways, after stirring it for a while, it was at this point I decided, you know what? Come and taste it. How does it taste? So my brother said it tasted fine. Tasted soft. So I decided, you know what? Let's drain the oil. I'll use it for something else. So at this point I drained the oil out of this rice to try to salvage the situation. You guys, when you're cooking your fried rice, don't be like me. Reduce the oil. It's not good for your health. Yeah, so I've drained the oil here, and as you can see, there's an oilless fried rice that looks delicious. I mean, look at those beautiful pieces of meat and the carrots, and look at the oil that I'll be using for probably stew on a later date. I'm starting to get the fried rice smell. Oh, I feel so proud of myself. It looks good though. Okay. Testing. I'm not this is the food that is showing. It's not you. No pressure. But yeah, what's our judgment? Over 10. Rate it over 10.
Let me get another taste.
Okay.
For a first attempt, maybe like 6.5 out of 10.
Wow. Harsh critic.
That's harsh critic. It's just being honest.
That's a harsh critic. Anyways, you people heard it. I have another Gordon Ramsay inside my house. A 6 over 10. Really, that's barely a pass mark. Lord is our most. Anyways, at least it was it was kind of nice. Even though I've not tasted it. To be honest, I didn't even taste the entire process. Mostly because this is fasting periods. That's why I made him taste it. So but yeah, we have succeeded in making fried rice. We'll do better next time. Well, we got the 6. I have so far the 6.5. It was well till I come your way next time with another content. See ya.